you want to look extra gorgeous this Eid, if you want to slay both your base and eye makeup this year, this video is for you, so keep on watching. And today I'm only using one eyeshadow palette. This palette is more than enough. If you have watched my video for a while now, you know that I use this palette a lot, like every single time I do my makeup. So let's start. So I will start off by using this beige shade. I like to use this shade to kind of prep my lids for other darker eyeshadows. And I will put it all over my lids with a fluffy brush. This step is not mandatory, but I like to do it. As you guys already saw the thumbnail of this video, I am doing a green eye makeup. If the color of your Eid dress is different and you want to do eyeshadow of different color, it's totally fine. Just follow these steps by using another shade. So I will start off with the green eyeshadow. As this shade is quite dark, I won't take too much and start like blending. I will build this shade on my crease little by little. I can't find scotch tape in my home right now, and it's literally 12 a.m. in the morning and I can't bother anyone in the house for scotch tape, so I'm using this like card thing. And you can use scotch tape or anything, like something like this, to do your eye makeup. Like, I know I can make my eye looks quite sharp, but just using some kind of thing just makes it easier, you know. Okay, so as you can see, I'm blending the green eyeshadow properly on my lids before taking more product. Now I'll take the same shade again. I'm blending it kind of all over my lids. You could use a dark blue shade, dark purple. I will take a more precise brush and take the same green shade, blend this shade close to my lash line. See how sharp it is. If you don't use these kind of things or scotch tape, you can always make your eyeshadow look more sharp by like cleaning up the edges with a concealer. I will start smoking my lash line. Black eyeshadow from the same palette and start smoking my outer corner and lash line. I will take this green shimmer using my fingers and I will put it right here in my lid. I will wear glitter. So I don't have glitter glue as I don't use glitters that often. I think I'm wearing glitter after a long time. I use lash glue for glitter. It also does the job. So we'll take my lash glue and put it. The glitter glue dries so fast, so I had to rush with this step. I used this shade here, and this is those kind of shade, like those glitters who has like two colors in it. It has blue and green both. So if I had put this glitter on top of a blue eyeshadow or blue shimmer, the glitters would appear blue. But as I did it on top of green, so it looks green, and I think it's very cool. I did the other eye and wore lashes. You cannot skip lashes for this look. You must wear it. Even grab the longest, fluffiest lash you have and wear them. While I do a full beat for Eid, I wear the most full coverage foundation I have, and that is the Juvia's Place Velvet Matte Foundation. And I only take a little. This is not even like one pump of regular foundation. As you can see, I do need a color corrector, a lot of color corrector, but this foundation will cover everything. If your foundation does not have this much coverage, please wear color corrector if you need it, or else your concealer will look gray on those certain areas. If I didn't wear this foundation, I would definitely use a concealer to color correct. See how it is covering everything? I'm highlighting using a concealer. Feel 10 times prettier after wearing kajal. So let's complete our eyeshadow look. I will use the green shade and I will apply it very close to my lash line. I will apply the black eyeshadow as much as close to my water. Reapplying the powder on my under eye to kind of clean up the area. I'll contour my face using my bronzer. If I want to feel gorgeous, I have to look like a bronzed goddess. I love wearing bronzer and I love it more when it smells good. Like, Physicians Formula butter bronzer smells so good. I want to eat it. It smells exactly like very buttery cookies. I have contoured my nose. If you want to know how I contour my nose, check out my YouTube video named Makeup Tutorial to look beautiful in pictures. I showed exactly how I contour my nose in the video step by step, very detailed. I will apply some pink color in my face using a baby doll pink blush. I love green for this kind of smoky glittery look because I literally love green for anything except dress. Like, I don't like green dress. I feel like it doesn't suit me. Green jewelry, green eyeshadow is so pretty. It's not a Eid Makeup without highlighter, so I will use the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. So beautiful. This highlighter looks so good in pictures, especially if you are taking pictures like in the sun. It looks so good. One of the best highlighters for brown skin tone. It's not my makeup without a beauty mark. I will draw one on top of my natural one. Guys, so I did some finishing touches, added some jewelry. Didn't wear much because I'm not going out. It's 1:30 a.m. That is the final look. Did you guys like the tutorial? The makeup? It's quite Eid coded, smoky, glittery. You can also wear gloss if you want. That completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.